So this is like a really big tool that I use to help me basically. Do you feel like you're always spending hours writing replies to emails, designing mock-ups, and creating captions for Instagram? Then in this video, I'm going to give you 3 AI tools that will save you hours on any balloon job. First tool that I want you guys to check out and use is obviously ChatGPT. I know. Everybody talks about ChatGPT, but not only ChatGPT, there are other AIs like Gemini, which is usually built into your phone, so you don't have to download it. And you can use ChatGPT or a similar AI tool that does writing concepts for you to write your captions for your reels, for your Facebook posts, and things like that. It saves you so much more time because sometimes it's just getting the idea out of our heads. But once we have the idea out of our heads, now we have to create it 30 times over. And so what I like about using AIs like ChatGPT is that I can give it a concept and ask it to scale it out to 30 days. So it will write all my captions for me. It will write all the concepts for my reels for me, and it will even write titles or hashtags and things like that. So this is like a really big tool that I use to help me basically get my ideas out in real time, but then also helps me organize what I'm going to do for the next 30 days. Because sometimes I have analysis paralysis and I get stuck trying to come up with ideas. But if I have some kind of outline provided to me by ChatGPT or Gemini, then it kind of helps me have a guide. So if I do get lost or I do get stuck, I have those guides readily available to help me stay consistent in my posting and stay visible on my social medias. Second tool that I want you guys to use is some type of digital mockup or image generator. So of course, ChatGPT does have a image generator in it, and it does get pretty accurate. I would also look at Canva or even Creative Fabrica has a good AI and digital creative system that can come up with some really good concepts. And I'm not saying that you should use these AI concepts that are generated to send them to your customer as like, this is what I can do. Because sometimes a lot of the times those proportions are out of whack, but I would say use the AI generated image for yourself to build a concept or to see something visually for yourself to get started. Because sometimes you can have the words, you can have maybe your client has sent you multiple inspo pictures that don't make any sense. So an AI like Chat can take those inspo pictures and basically mash them up into one thing. And then from that one thing that the AI generated from like the 5 inspo pictures, you can start to build your mock-up. So I would say use any kind of AI digital design platform as a starting point. I wouldn't say that's the selling point, because you want to create a mock-up that is aligned with your capabilities. And a lot of the times these AI mock-ups are not, but it will help you visualize what idea your client is trying to come up with. And then you can tweak it yourself to save yourself time, because you're racking your brain trying to figure out, okay, how do I put all these elements together in one thing? Before we go to the next clip, I also want to let you guys know that on my Stan Store, I do have a starter kit and a content marketing kit for balloon businesses. So if you are interested in those things, check out my Stan Store in the description. Now let's get on to number 3. So number 3 is Opus Clip. Opus Clip, when I was heavily promoting my balloon business and my event business, Opus Clip saved me so much time. The way Opus Clip works is you have a long form concept, so long form video. So let's say you took your phone to film yourself like setting up and doing all these things, and you just basically did like this big old vlog of your balloon setup. A lot of the times that behind the scene content is great, but no client is going to sit down and watch an hour-long video of you having an event and setting up at an event. But Opus Clip can take that hour-long video and not only chop it up into some of the best, chop it up into the best like quality clips from that hour-long video, but it'll also rank the clips in what will attract the most attention, what will have the most virality, and things like that. And what was I going to say? And it'll help you edit. So you can actually edit those things down. You can move things around. So it saves you so much more time that those behind the scene videos, like I recommend posting at least 1 to 2 a week. So those behind the scene reels that you want to post, well, you can do that and have from an hour-long video, you can probably have 2 to 4 weeks of behind the scene videos just from that hour-long video. And it helps keep you consistent, and also helps you stay in front of your client's mind. So that's the awesome thing. And then I would say, as a bonus, it's not really an AI tool, but it has an AI tool built inside of it. Another tool that I think is very, very beneficial that has AI elements within it is HoneyBook. I highly, highly, highly recommend HoneyBook. I will post the link to a HoneyBook video that I made. I'm going to make more HoneyBook videos because I think it is a really great platform. And within HoneyBook, they have automated replies. They have AI features that will write an email for you. So if someone, based on like what you've previously sent, so if someone's inquiring about something and say they're asking about a similar thing, they will pre-write the draft of the email for you, and then you can just go in and kind of tweak things. The AI will even take from the inquiry form information that the person filled out. So like their first name, the date of their event, what type of event they're having. They'll take those facts and put them in your reply automatically. So I think that it's been a game changer, because I've always had to, okay, what did I say last time? What did I say last time? And that was really frustrating for me. And so I really feel like the AI tools within HoneyBook are very beneficial. They have AI follow-ups. You can automate with AI if you get a certain type of inquiry in, it'll automatically send basically a generic blanket reply. So it's highly, highly worth checking out. It's highly, highly worth to me going in there and using it. I highly, highly recommend it. So again, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Sans store that has some balloon business starter kits, and whatever recommended video I clip in here, check that out too. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.